vision of, I think, a movie theater or a movie center that you want to bring up in Ghana. Would you want to share more insight about it to us?
Yeah, so essentially it's people. That's people making stories, telling stories, visualizing stories. The second component is the facilities. When we're telling stories in this radio station, we need mics, we need boards, and so the facilities part is what me and Tony Tego and Danny Dama are trying to bring in a major way to Africa. There are studios in Africa. There are studios in Cote d'Ivoire. There are studios in Cape Town. But in West Africa, there were not that many studios. So what our mission is to bring a big international world-class film studio to West Africa. We want to be in Ghana, we want to be in Sierra Leone, we also want to be in East Africa, we also want to be in South Africa. So essentially what I'm trying to do is bolster film and storytelling with the people, because it's a job-making industry. It's like an army. You know, you can't have an army without the people. You can't make films without the people. So for me, it's to bring the industry alive, to offer job opportunities as well.